Good evening to all of you. So I'm here to make a video that is very important, not for me, but also the people who are listening to this audio and watching this video. So basically, right now I'm working in one of MNCs in electrical department, and I personally felt that might be that if the decision and the things which should be gone in a manner which I should do at past time, then I would get much more success than present. So let's discuss. So after doing 10th with first in my school and then 12 with the second in my district, I moved to Kota for the preparing of ITJ. I have done all the things, and I was also in the one of the top batch in one of the institute in Kota. After all kind of hard working and dedication to the preparation for ITJ, I wouldn't get the rank which I supposed to be. The thing which went wrong was that at the end of the preparation, means the exam is going to be conducted in the month of April and May. But what happened that in after December, I was not too much focused. I was distracted with some things, and I come back to my hometown from Kota, and I was not so serious regarding this. So when I gave my examination, I cracked ITJ, but the rank was not so sufficient, so I can get college in ITJ. So the reason was that give up at the last moment and distracted and focus my goal. So this guilt does not lead me to feel happy when I was studying in one of the colleges, which is government, of course, but not ITJ. So I totally wasted 2.5 years uh, by not studying and not focusing on the studies. Then I realized that if I'm just feeling guilt and not doing something else, the things will not go right way. And I started preparing for the GATE examination, and I have started the preparing for GATE examination because it served the purpose of two. The first was to scores in semester examination, so I can get on average of 8 CGPA, so I can shortlist it for the companies which come in my college. And the second was that if I get the PSO, then somehow I feel that I have just managed to get one of the dream jobs, and I can do something else. But in same time, I have also done one mistake or something else, that first time in my life I fell in love with a girl, and the focus which was there, or the concentration which I was delivering at preparing for the GATE examination, does not go well. Three things happens. I was qualifying in every examination in the company, but I was not clear the interview for each and every company. So the morality was going down, as I was thinking that if I'm not able to crack down um, campus recruitment in which only 100 or 50 students are there, how I could get how I could crack GATE examination where more than one L people are sitting. And second thing that I was thinking that if I get a PSU or crack down GATE examination, then I will propose her, but I could not do that. I could not able to do that. So what happened after getting campus in one of the MNC? I was totally depressed, demotivated, and does not have a feeling that I can bounce back. So I was somehow surrounded with many things, like I haven't cracked down ITJ. I was also not able to get examination, and I also not able to propose her and impress her. So these stuffs have just blocked my mind, and somehow I was feeling loser things. After coming to the company, I was also not have a very good communication skills. But when I reached to Mumbai and I saw so many people, both males and females, are very good at communication and have a very good expression in face and body language. So I was thinking that how I could crack PSO gate examination. It's a very it's first my job to just sustain or to able to compete in this market. I given the gate in next year, and the rank was three times which I scored in previous year. I was totally devastated, and the aim or the goal which I was there, that if I could get within 3 days, then I will quit my job and prepare for GATE. I could not. In the next year, I tried all the efforts which I can put, and I spoke within 300, which was a decent rank, which can from where I could get PSU. But sudden COVID pandemic happens, and a vacancy suddenly reduced in the PSU. And when I'm shooting this video, till now I haven't able to crack any of the PSU. So this was the story. So the aim to shoot this video is that whether any kind of competition exam you are preparing, then first thing that you should not have to give up at any moment. The second thing is that keep away the distraction and negativity from the internal or from the external. The third thing is that you are not alone. That the things which you are facing means that you are not alone or lonely, that you are facing this kind of pressures either mentally or financially or something else. Many persons or candidates are facing that. So the person who just stick with that goal to crack down, they are able to crack down and they are happy. While people like me till now, because I'm not able to crack any of the issue, so you feel that you are totally devastated. The aim, life is not going to be happen, or the thinking process or the dream just shorten. You are thinking just of small thing instead of looking for long vision or long goals in your life. That's it.